the shuttle picked us up from the airport and they did all the paperwork right where their office was. Pretty smooth. $164 for 3 days, right?
Yeah.
And $30 insurance
For 3 days.
for 3 days. That was optional, but we took it. So yeah, pretty smooth, pretty nice process.
Your destination is on the right.
So we just parked in the parking lot and walking to the hotel. So I'm not sure if this mall area is part of the hotel. Alright, so there is the check-in. This must be, I guess,
welcome once again. I see that you're staying with 3 nights with us, correct?
yeah.
Look at the hotel map. How cool is this? It looks like a little card and then the card opens up. And that's the map of the hotel. So they have 3 properties. We're staying in the first one. This is the Ocean Suites and that's an island. That's where the Flamingo Beach is. And we can have breakfast in all 3 of their properties. I think tomorrow we'll go to the most farther one. And the next day here.
Okay.
Look how cool is this. Never seen anything like this.
So after we checked in, we took shower, took some rest. Now it's 7 p.m. My hair is messed up. Now it's 7 p.m. and we got out to explore a little bit around this hotel. We're not gonna go anywhere far. We'll be walking. I'm not taking the car. So yeah, let's see how it is around this place at night. It's almost, yeah, it's 7:05, so 7:10 is the sunset for today. The glass elevator. It's hot here.
Yeah.
So this is there another part of the same Renaissance property. She found some fish. Oh, the calo.
Aruba is the colorful also.
I see that.
It's looking clear.
Hotel or resort place is right beside the port, the harbor. So we're staying here, and then this is another place. This is the ocean something, ocean front or something.
This is the oceanfront marketplace.
Yeah, but they do have the hotel here as well. Looking for the fish.
Huh?
She's looking for the fish.
Can I see you?
We're walking down their second property, which is the ocean front, and they do have their own little beach, like man-made, right beside the actual ocean. And it's pretty good, pretty beautiful. Yeah, they have the ocean front hotel right beside me. They have this walkway right beside the ocean itself. Yeah, and the wind is like crazy. We were showing like it's gonna be windy the next 3 days like this, I believe.
But it's so beautiful.
Yeah. So as you can see, like this is the walkway, like a round walkway, and here's the ocean right here. So beautiful. 7:30 at night. we need to find something to eat. Then we need to watch the Copa America, Brazil versus Uruguay today as well. So we got back to the hotel, and right now we're in the hotel lobby. We ordered some food and we're waiting for the game to be started as well. So we're waiting for the food right now.
So we just got our order served. We got some shrimp tempura and some stir-fried noodles. Those shrimp tempuras are straight. I have never seen a straight shrimp tempura. That's funny. And it's like just 5. I thought there was more. Noodles looks okay. Now let's see. Smells good. Let's try. I was hoping for some spicy noodles, but it seems like it's on the sweeter side. Shrimp tempura আমার সঙ্গে দিও তো আরেকটা ভিডিও।
We came back to the hotel and we're finishing the game here in our hotel room. We'll see you guys in the morning tomorrow.